Assalamualaikum grade 1. How are you all? This is the time of your science lesson. So let's begin with our chapter which we have already started, sounds. Today we have to read page number 121. So let's begin with our topic. What sounds do musical instruments make? We can make music with these musical instruments. As I have shown you the musical instruments like recorder, drum, bell and guitar. When different instruments are played, they make different kinds of sounds. Different instruments are played in different ways. As you have seen before that different instruments are played in different ways. We may hit them like drum. We may hit the drum and it produces sounds. We can blow them like a recorder. We blow the recorder and it produces sound. We can pluck them like we can pluck the guitar and then strings of guitar and then it produces sounds, or shake them like a bell. We can shake a bell to make sound. Okay, here are some sounds. When we hit a drum, it makes a sound boom boom. When we blow into a recorder, it makes a sound toot toot. When we pluck a guitar string, it makes a sound twang twang. When we shake a bell, it makes a sound ring ring. So all these are the sounds which are produced by these instruments, and you have also seen these sounds in the video before. So I hope you enjoy all this and you will next time produces these sounds with these instruments. Thank you.